So I have such an exciting weekend ahead. I'm not sure when I'm posting this, but it's going to be soon. So I'm going to the Seattle Convention Center, and it's for what is it called? The Oddities, the Oddities of Curiosity. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'll leave a picture. So I'm doing my nails, of course, and I'm using this old Maniology plate, which is Bundle Monster. So now it's on a plate like this. It just has like two sides, but this one is Bundle Monster S245. So I'll have to find out what the big plate is. It's the Cabinet of Curiosities. It's so perfect. I also grabbed this one, M314, just because I liked the skeletons or the skulls. No, not the skulls, the skeletons. I thought it was very fitting because the Cabinet of Curiosity is just a collection of like unusual things. So I'm really excited. So I have a Parrot polish. It's Anna Maria Island. It's this pretty white. 2 coats of that. And then a new cat eye magnetic. Again, not gel, just regular nail polish. And it's black cat. This one just came out. And it is so pretty. And it has like black. I see like black, orange. I can't remember if I posted pictures already, but I need to. But you can see all of those colors, purples, oranges. It's so cool. And then like it has red and black as well. So pretty. So I have that one on my thumb. I didn't do the magnet, and I also have it here. I'm kind of doing a gradient. I thought it'd be fun to kind of keep it on the Halloween theme as well. So I'm going to use Clear Jelly Stamper Cuticle Protect, and I think I'm going to do it on this nail and my middle. So then my 3 fingers have that, and then my thumb and ring finger will just be the plain color. So I have my makeup sponge, and I'm putting white in the middle, and then this is going to take a couple coats, so you can go slow and let them dry in between. But it's so pretty. So just putting some on there, and then let's see, that one's still drying a bit, so I'll do it on this one like this and just go back and forth. And I don't want to touch that yet, so I'm going to do this a few times to get it to match this one and be right back. So I just did probably like 3 like sponges over, where I was saying like reloading the sponge if it ran out of polish, and then went over it, and I totally just slipped. So now I gotta fix that, which is okay because I can just do that. Super simple. So I'm going to take the latex off and clean up. Alright, so I think I'm just going to make a bunch of decals. I'll keep it recording, but I'm going to fast forward so I don't bore you guys. But, alright, here we go. so I'm all done. I'm just gonna put some smudge free top coat, and I'm gonna leave this. It's probably gonna wash off, but I think I'm gonna restamp before the show, and maybe a couple more on my fingers. I'll definitely let you guys know, and I hope you like them and get some ideas. This one I kept simple, just like this. So yeah, all right. Let me know what your favorite nail is, and I will definitely be posting about the show on my Facebook or Instagram or something. So, all right, have a good day. Bye.